President Trump tweets his sympathy towards all affected in the tragedy. His tweet reads, "My warmest sympathy and best wishes goes out to the people of New Zealand after the horrible massacre in the mosques. 49 innocent people have so senselessly died, with so many more seriously injured. The US stands by New Zealand for anything we can do. God bless all." His message follows an earlier White House statement in response to the mass shootings at New Zealand mosques that left 49 dead. The United States strongly condemns the attack in Christchurch. Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their families. We stand in solidarity with the people of New Zealand and their government against this vicious act of hate, said the statement. Global leaders have also been sending messages of support. On behalf of the UK, my deepest condolences to the people of New Zealand after the horrifying terrorist attack in Christchurch, British Prime Minister Theresa May wrote on Twitter. My thoughts are with all of those affected by this sickening act of violence. All our thoughts for the victims of heinous crimes against the mosques of Christchurch in New Zealand and for their loved ones, French President Emmanuel Macron added.